What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel where AI is your playground. The purpose of my channel is to provide you with the best AI tools that you can either use for free or find at some type of discount, because we know how costs can add up as content creators. Today we're going to do a quick demo of the Canva free versus the paid version. I'm even going to show you how to use the Canva Pro version at no cost to get all of your visuals done quickly. So stick around. So Canva is a free online graphic design program that allows users to create a variety of visual content and will help you significantly increase your success online. Because while your content might be the Lamborghini of content, if it's not visually attractive, viewers will scroll right by. This is something you absolutely need to get right, because otherwise your online business will be an online bust. Now, Canva does a great job with social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, websites, and promotional merchandise. I use Canva for all of my visuals, and what has truly helped the success of my channels is using Canva to create my YouTube thumbnails and my Facebook thumbnails. So Canva offers a range of features, including millions of templates, drag and drop capabilities. You can create documents, letters, memos, invoices, mail headers. And what I love about Canva now is they have AI-powered design tools, including Magic Design, Magic Write, Magic Media, Magic Morph, and more. It also has whiteboards, which is an infinite space for collaboration with others for brainstorming. And it has a social media panel, which provides options for designing for different platforms, including Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and Facebook. So let's head over to Canva right now. So I have two Canva platforms open. I have my free version, and then I have my upgraded version. So I'm going to show you the difference. I'm going to show you how to use Canva real quickly, and then the difference between the free version and the upgraded / paid version. So right now I'm in the free version, and I want to create, let's say I want to create something around a mystery channel. So I need to create a logo, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is, actually I'm in logo. I wanted to show you how to get there, how to create a design. So you're going to click create a design on the top left, and you're going to just type in logo. Don't overthink this. Just click the top one that says logo. And here we are. And Canva offers a variety of templates that you may use, and you can change and modify to your liking. So I'm going to type in mystery, assuming I'm starting a mystery channel. And I will need a logo for my mystery channel. And here we go. All right, so if you look at the images presented, some of them have either pro, it looks like these are pro, so I'm not going to be able to use these. I like this one that says mysterious. And if I click on it, it'll say, try Canva Pro for free. So I provided a link to Canva down below. I provided a couple links below. You can access Canva there, but you can try Canva for 30 days. But if you're a teacher, you can access Canva Pro for free. And I'm going to leave the link in the description below on how to access Canva EDU, which is the Pro version, for free, which is amazing. All right, so again, I'm in the free version, and I am not able to use any of these images that you can see. There's a little crown, which is the Pro version. I can't use those. But let me click on this one. I can use that one, which I do not like at all. But I'm going to keep that there on the top right. I'm going to duplicate the page, right? I can create it, or I can add a page. You know what? I'm going to add a page. I don't want to duplicate that design because I don't like it. On the left, again, in designs, you have a couple different features or choices on the left. Elements, which is just about everything in Canva. Type in anything you want, and your elements is where you're going to find most of your assets. Designs or templates. Let's go to elements. I'm going to type in mystery, and a lot of them are pro. A lot of them are pro. Let's try to use the free. Okay, so this is cool. This is free. That I'm going to use. It's free. And let's see if I can modify this. I can't change that. No. Okay, what else is free? So there are just a handful of free designs here. So Is this free? Yes, this is free. I don't really like that, but that's okay. I'm just giving you an example. So, okay. So on the left side, let's say I want to add text. See, I don't like this magnifying glass. I'm going to keep this guy. I think he's pretty cool. All right, and I'm going to go to text, and I can add add a heading, subheading. Looks like I have a lot of options here. Oh, these are paid. These are paid. These are paid. Let's like this one. This is a cool design. So you can find usable designs in the free version. All right, I'm going to put Mystery America above this dude. Okay, so there's my logo for Mystery America. And I'm going to add another page, and I'm going to go back to elements and see what else I can find. I like to play around with many logos, so you don't just stick with one. Create a whole bunch and then choose the best one out of that. So, ooh, I like this box. But the background is black. We need to change the background, so just click on background color. And I'm going to make the background just white. There we go, perfect. All right, I'm going to go over to text. And I'm going to choose, let's do this coffee break. Oh, I like that one, but it is the pro version. So this, we're hiring, this is free. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go Mystery America. And I apologize if your channel is already called Mystery America. I'm just making this up. So if you already have a business called Mystery America, I'm not really doing anything with this. I'm just using it as an example. So that's kind of cool. So again, Canva has some really cool features. One of the really awesome features of Canva is that you can modify the text with effects. So if you click on the top right where it says effects, kind of go in here and you can do different designs. Mystery, I like that. I'm going to do the same thing with America. I'm going to go to this little neon. Not bad. And then, so anyway, that's how you use Canva free. And this is just one example of one design. And then let's say I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So all these will populate. YouTube thumbnail, perfect. Yep. Here we go. And here we are. And let's say it's the same thing. I want to do mystery, right? So many options, so many different options. So this is cool. I like this one, but this is pro, so I can't use this. That's okay. I really like that one though. I'm gonna try that one in the paid version, see what it looks like. All right, we're gonna choose this one here, and this is free, mystery. I'm gonna change the background. You'll see. Mystery America. That's okay. That's huge. So we're gonna lower the font. Let's just go here to 120. Let's go. There you go. All right. I'm gonna delete this dude. Cool. I'm gonna delete this. This is. I like the lettering on this. So this is usable, guys. This is usable. I'm going to go to, I want to add graphics to this. I really like this background. So well done, Canva, for free. It's not bad, not bad. Mystery America. I don't need this. I don't need the microphone, but the wording I like. I can change. Again, I'm going to add an effect to this. I'm going to add a neon effect. Not crazy about that, but I can change that by changing the color of the text itself. So I like the effect, but I'm going to change the color to blue. That is very cool. Well done, Canva. Okay, we're going to go to elements and we're going to add something that related to mystery that's free, right? So let's see. Shadows, money, mystery. And then I'm going to go graphics, and they have photos that you can use, and they have videos you could use. Again, you can create awesome videos in Canva, and shapes and audio. You can use audio. So many different options, you guys. So you are limited with the free, but we are getting by right now. So we're going to go to graphics. And we're going to choose something that is free, and maybe the magnifying glass. Mystery. Let's choose the box. So let's say we're done with this. We're good. Again, this is the free version. I'm going to export this. So I'm going to go up to the top right. This is really important for you to understand or to follow along with, because this is how you download all your content to your desktop. So you're going to press download, and file type, different file types, guys. JPEG is going to be the smallest type of image. PNG is the best for complex images or illustrations. PDF standard. You can create a PDF out of this, also PDF for print. You can create your videos. And if this was a video, you would click MP4 video. All right, but we're going to go PNG, and we're going to download this. All right. Last thing I want to do is, before I hop over to the paid version, is show you how to download an image without a background. And that, you'll have to download the image as a PNG. So let's say I'm going to add a page. I'm going to add this dude. I'm going to get rid of the background. So click on the background color and just make it white. So let's say I created a logo or a design, and I just want the wording. Let's add a little text on this too. Cool. All right. So let's say I just want the little, the detective and the word mystery. I'm going to share this, and I'm going to download this as a PNG, but I want the background transparent. If you can see this transparent background, and unfortunately, I would have to upgrade for that. So now you know that if you want to download images without the background, you'll have to upgrade to the EDU or the Pro version, but I use this all the time for my websites and for my, my social media content. Again, PNG, remove the background, and then download, and you're good. Anyway, so this is the free version. There are limitations, but it is usable. So if you're just getting started, why don't you kind of play around with Canva free? And if it makes sense for you to upgrade, then you should upgrade. Again, the links are in the description for Canva and the Canva, the EDU version. If you're a teacher, go ahead and apply for the free program. And I will see you on the paid version in just a minute.